This whole Stephen Curry about him playing, like, Curry is a shooting guard who plays the point because he can handle the ball and he can shoot. He doesn't have the mindset of a Jason Kidd or Steve Nash or John Stockton. Like he doesn't make, or or Raja Rondo. I forgot to add him on the damn list. Like those guys get it. You know what I'm saying? Curry, not so much. you know. And there's no knock on Curry. You know. Um, it's just who he is as an individual. He'll never get better on defense. That's a given. But for people to say that, oh, he's the greatest shooter I've ever seen. No, for me, the greatest shooter I've ever seen was Ray Allen, Larry Bird, Reggie Miller. Those are my guys. Those are the guys I grew up with. Well, outside of Larry Bird, obviously, because my grandfather was alive when Larry Bird was a rookie. But outside of Larry Bird, I watched Ray Allen, I watched Reggie Miller. Those guys laid that foundation. You know what I'm saying? And yes, Curry passed on all of them. He passed on Reggie, he passed on Ray Allen, and he's still going, So, but, it wasn't really Curry who revolutionized the game. It was the Europeans, The Europeans came over, you know what I'm saying? And, they the ones who started jacking up a whole bunch of threes. And then Stephen Curry said, I can do that too. And then he gotten better at it and better and better and better and better and better. So this whole notion that Curry is the greatest shooter I've ever seen or ever seen, total BS. Total BS.